Every DILDer should know. What is DILD? A customizable engine that provides the suggestion services from all the major providers in one place. DILD does not crawl the net. All services and their content are the property of the respective providers. A keyword research tool. Be sure to master the draggable saved suggestions feature. A way to look spiffy when performing a web search. Be sure to hit the right arrow a couple of times while showing it off. Know if something else DILD is or should be. Let us know. Contact us. To customize DILD, click on Engines. At the upper right of the screen, to the right of the secrets box, is a link titled Engines. Once clicked, the engine selector will open. A mini diagram of DILD is at the top and a collection of search engine options is below. To change your DILD engines, drag any engine icon onto a position in the mini diagram of DILD. Your DILD page will immediately reflect your changes. Know of an engine we should include. Let us know. Contact us. To undo all customization, click here, Undo. To save state, use the permalink. At the upper right of the screen, currently behind the secrets box, is a link titled Permalink. That link is updated automatically as DILD is used and contains enough information to return DILD to its current state. To save that state, click on the link, then bookmark the resulting page. That bookmark can now be emailed or blogged for easy retrieval and sharing. To make DILD your home page, Firefox. Drag this link onto your Home button, DILD.in Internet Explorer. On the Tools menu, click Internet Options. On the General tab, type https://dild.in in the address text box. Click OK. Safari. Select Safari from the top menu and then Preferences. From the drop-down list, in the General section, type https://dild.in in the Homepage field, and then close the Preferences window. Know of a better way? Let us know. Contact us. To start the demo, click here. Click again to stop the demo. To switch between engines, use the right arrow key. Click on the icon, found below the search box, of the desired engine. Put the parameter equals less than a number less than 7 more than into the URL. For your clients, logo and branding. To place your logo on DILD, add a logo and LSRC parameter to the URL. Then put in the search terms and set the engines you'd like your client to see. Click Permalink, currently hidden by this box, and send the resulting URL to the client. If you're unsure how to add the parameters, just fill in this form and click Add Logo. Logo image URL. Logo destination. Use shared session. All the ways to search. Enter a few letters and use the DILD link. DILD link is the first search result that is likely to be returned if you execute the search. The no mouse way. Type the first few characters of what you want. Then hit the up and down arrows to select the suggestion. Press enter. Type a search term and press enter. Type a search and mouse click the DILD button. Click a suggestion to perform the search on the engine it came from. Drag a suggestion onto the small icon, below the search box, of an engine you'd like to execute the search. Click the down arrow on the upper left of the screen to download suggestions. Try the demo. It's fun. Wink. Found another way to execute a search on DILD. Let us know. Contact us. Saved suggestions. How to use it. Use the mouse to drag any suggestion onto the book image at the upper left of the screen. Or click on the book, type into the input box, click the Add button, the icon with the plus symbol. Also, if the list is important, be sure to save your work to a file. Do not trust the browser. To do this, click on the down arrow icon next to the graph. How it is useful. The items collected can be used for searching again in the future. To do so, click on the saved suggestion. This fills the search box, and press enter. The items collected in the bucket can be printed as a list. To do this, click the printer icon below the list of terms. The items in the list can be researched using Google Keyword Analytics. Click on the graph icon to try this out. The items in the list can be saved to a file for manipulation by a desktop application. To do this, click on the icon with the downward arrow on it. This icon is at the left of the graph icon. To delete saves. To remove one, click on the tiny icon to the right of the saved suggestion, with a minus symbol on it. To remove them all, click on the large icon to the bottom right of the saves box with a minus symbol on it. Help! My saves went missing. There are a couple of reasons this might happen. You changed domains. Try going to www.dild.in instead of dild.in or dild.in instead of www.dild.in. For client-side storage, the mechanism behind saved suggestions, the domain is the key to the stored data. If the domain is different from one session to the next, the stored suggestions may be part of the other domain's storage. This can be used to advantage as well, but that is left to the reader